I have a red flagstone deck. I noticed black mold take over. So I began to read about it. Information said baking soda and water spray, then a bleach mixture. I tried, guess what? No luck. Then I tried milk, which to my surprise helped a lot. But I want to totally get rid of it, so I'm using a Lysol and water mixture. I started all of this in November, but I've stopped treatments for winter. I will start again in the spring. The mold isn't heavy on the rocks, but it's into the grain of the rock. I may have to scrub it and keep at that. I feel it came from a tree in my neighbor's yard that had dark round spots on the leaves. She doesn't maintain her yard. I can't do anything about the tree, but what can I use to keep flagstone mold free? And this is Ann from Denver, Colorado, right?
Wow.
So she wants to keep it mold free,
Yes.
right? But let's talk about the neighbor's tree for a second. So we don't think that's the cause of the mold, right? The dark spots on the leaves of the neighbor's tree.
No, the tree having anything is nothing.
Good.
The fact that the tree is creating shade, now that is probably what's causing the mold to be more prevalent in that particular area.
We have to think about the environment that mold likes to grow in, right? So shade would be one of those. Okay.
And moisture.
And moisture would be another.
Yeah.
All right. So how does she keep it clean? How does she keep it mold free?
Well, there are products out there. I mean, she's obviously found a way.
Okay.
I've never heard of milk before working.
Never heard of that before.
But I mean, that's interesting that it did work for her.
Never heard of that.
And you know, scrubbing it, that's a lot of work. There are products out there that you can put on the ground that will keep you have to keep applying them once a year because Mother Nature never stops producing mold and mildew. So, you know, you're going to have to continually do this, but hopefully less often. And there's if you can find a product that has alkyldimethylbenzylammonium chloride in it.
Mouthful.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
A product with that in it, you can spray on it, and then Mother Nature will take care of it and keep it clean for about a year.
About a year. Okay. So just read and follow.
Read and follow the label directions.
Okay, for that, and that should work.
It should work.
What about power washing?
You could power wash it too. Yeah. But when you're power washing,
be careful.
You got to be careful because you're getting rid of mold and mildew. So you want to wear personal protective equipment so that you don't get any of that in your lungs or on your face.
Yeah, PPE is going to be real important for that.
PPE.
And I would like to say no bleach.
No bleach.
Right, especially if you have plant material around, because it's going to be harmful to the environment. And I know a lot of people like to use vinegar, acetic acid, right? Because they think, it's eco-friendly, but you still have to be careful.
Yeah, you have a buildup of vinegar. It wouldn't be good either.
Yeah. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.